Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Haroon Idris. Please subscribe, share and like.
This is Mohamed Haroon Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have 2008 Nissan Rogue with the airbag light on and also no horn. The clock spring was being replaced a month ago, but the customer said he changed an engine. After he changed the engine, maybe something is wrong. Before you go far, let us run a diagnostic test to come up with what's going on at least. Just taking a decision based on something blinking or light is on is not advisable. So we are using our Maxi 6 diagnostic section, and we're going to go to diagnosis. Ignition must be on. I will go by VIN because this car is after 2006. Some car before 2006 also, it's easy. Infiniti, Nissan, they are the same company. I will now here, it's gonna read the VIN number first here, and then you see, and it will ask you, is that the VIN number? I will say, okay. It will decode it for you, Rogue S35 2009. I will say yes. Now I'm gonna go to diagnose. What I need to do in this car, I gotta go to control unit because I don't want to go more than that. And I will see engine, airbag. That's gonna be as quick as possible. Sometimes it takes from 1 minute to 3 minutes to get into some module, depending on the processing unit, the central processing unit of the module itself. Okay, here is faster. ECU information we need to know. We are communicating Apple F7. That's the ECU. Let me see what's going on. I will go to record. Driver airbag module open. Driver airbag module open. And it is current. And this is one of the reasons B as in boy 149 B1054. Why this open? If somebody take the door, the engine out, definitely he have to release the steering or rack and pinion or this outside. And this car here, if you take it out and while they put in it, if they turn it hard left or right side for more than one time, it can spin and break the clock spring that is inside here, or something happened to it, it damage. And the reason why even the horn is not there. So we know for sure that the clock spring get affected from this point, why we don't even have the horn. So I advise the customer, and those are current. And why I say driver airbag module open, driver airbag module open, and you have two codes, because this car have two stage 1 and stage 2, or 2, yeah, and both of them maybe it get damaged. If the horn is working and those codes are available, maybe we delete them and it will go, but those are current. I'm going to try to reset one more. Escape, erase, ignition off. I will say yes. Okay, I erased it. I don't see nothing there, but it will come back again. You see the light there, it's go off, but it's come back again. So I'm going to read it again. It's still there. Okay, B1049, 1054. Also, I will go back to my body control module or IPDM or the BCM. Here it will show me if the horn is pressed or depressed, and you can go look for it on the data. If you see horn here, okay. If it's not, go to BCM, and here is a special function. Reset. No, I don't need this one. On the BCM, I don't see combination switch. Live data. That's for the signal and hazard switch. Okay. Headlamp switch, turn signal. You know, like here, right turn signal. You see right now it's off. If I put signal right, start blinking, here it will show you on. That means it shows that everything is working. So here we have no problem. I'm gonna go see if I have on the intelligent, no, not intelligent key. I don't need the key issue. I just want to see where is the IPDM R, intelligent power control module, or something like that. I want to see live data, main signal or all signal. Okay. You see horn chirp, horn hood switch. Does have nothing to do with that for the hood. Front wiper, high beam off, headlamp switch, AC compressor, motor fan. Anything that is on, it will show here. You see, at least I can get some kind of information. Okay. Let me see, active test, horn. You see, this is a horn. Motor fan, headlamp switch, front wiper, steering, oil, wiper, ignition relay wiper, right front. Okay, horn trip. Or let me see. On, see, off, on. That means the horn is working. You hear?
Okay.
You know the horn is working. So
yeah, exactly. That comes to that horn.
So yeah. So your problem is that I gotta go back on diagnosis again, control unit. I will look for airbag again. I want to see one thing, the data. The data, I want to see if that wire cut. So you need, how much you bought that clock spring?
200. Yeah.
Okay, live data, passenger airbag, all signals. Let me see if it's available. This cannot give you all the detailed data, but we already know what's going on this car. So this have to come out, get another one, install it, be sure that's centralized, and all the code will go away and the horn will work. Your problem is here. Thank you for watching. Please